The house of the Blackheads is one of the main sites of Riga and located in the historical center of the city on the town hall square. This photo how it looked like before Second World War, but during the heavy bombing in 1944, the first historical part of the old Riga was absolutely destroyed, including this house. So this photo was made in 1970 during Soviet Union period in Latvia, and this video how this house looks like now. It was restored in 1997-2000. Some historical information. At the end of the 13th century, there was a brotherhood of St. George, which accepted young unmarried foreign merchants. Initially, its patron was St. George, the patron saint of knights and warriors. Later, St. Mauritius, the symbol Blackhead, was on the coat of arms of the brotherhood, and the name of the Blackheads was assigned to them. The corporation was completely secular. The founders of the Riga company, the richest and most influential of those that existed, were commission agents and clerks of Riga and foreign firms. They were engaged in the purchase and delivery of goods to Riga. This occupation was fraught with great risk and contrast to the intermediary trade of local settled merchants who had the Great Guild as a center. Wandering clerks and foreign merchants created their own counterbalance in Riga, the company of the Blackheads. Also, it was only at the end of the 17th century that they finally managed to get away from the guardianship to the Great Guild. And generally this brotherhood existed up to 1939 when some ethnic Germans were returned back to the fatherland. So what you see on this video, the outlook, let's to say how outdoor view of this building, so what you can say inside. The first floor, some photos here, yes, the first floor is occupied by historical offices furnished in the interiors of the 19th century. It was here that the meetings of the Brotherhood were held, important public decisions were made, and cash reports were submitted. And on the second floor there are Composers Gallery, the Lubik Historical Hall and the Celebration Hall also are available for viewing. There used to be dance balls, and a lot of guests were received here, like Peter I, Katharina, Russian Empress, and so on. So there was a renovated basement, as you see on these photos, like in medieval ages. And also there is a monument to Riflemen, Latvian Riflemen, but you know they participated in October Revolution in the beginning of 20th century, so the situation is changed for now.